Take a deep breath. Look at your life, your bank account, your daily routine. Ask yourself honestly, am I truly free? Or am I trapped in the endless cycle of bills, debt, and obligations that someone else decided for me? Across the world, millions of people live a life dictated by financial constraints. They wake up early, rush to jobs they do not enjoy, spend hours commuting, and return home exhausted. Most of them go to sleep worrying about money, whether it's paying the bills, covering rent, managing loans, or saving for the future. Here's the truth you need to hear right now. Financial freedom is not a dream. It is not luck, and it is certainly not reserved for the wealthy or those with inheritance. Financial freedom is a decision, a mindset, a plan, and a relentless execution of strategy. It is about creating a life where money works for you, not where you work for money. It is about waking up in the morning with choices, not obligations. It is about living your life on your terms, not dictated by paychecks, creditors, or societal norms. Repeat this to yourself. I am done being a slave to money. I take full responsibility for my financial life, and I will achieve freedom starting today. Feel the fire in your chest? That's the spark of transformation. That spark, when nurtured with discipline, knowledge, and action, can grow into an unstoppable flame that lights your path to total freedom. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom can seem like a mysterious or abstract term, but it is actually simple to define. At its core, financial freedom means having complete control over your finances in your life. It means having sufficient income, assets, and investments so that you are no longer dependent on a traditional job or paycheck to maintain your lifestyle. Key elements of financial freedom include 1. Freedom from paycheck to paycheck living. No more anxiety about making rent, buying groceries, or paying bills. 2. Money working for you. Your income comes from investments, business, digital products, or other passive income streams. 3. Time freedom. The ability to spend your days on activities that matter, whether traveling, learning, creating, or spending time with loved ones. 4. Choice and control. Every financial decision is yours. You are not forced to take a job, work long hours, or live a life dictated by debt. 5. Security and peace of mind. You are prepared for emergencies, downturns, and unexpected life events without panic or fear. Financial freedom is not about being extravagant or showing off wealth. It is about having control, living intentionally, and building a life that aligns with your values and passions. Around the world, millions struggle with financial dependence. In developing countries, basic expenses and economic instability force people to work multiple jobs just to survive. In developed countries, high living costs and societal expectations often trap people in jobs they dislike for decades. Many people assume that money is hard, that wealth is for the privileged, or that freedom is impossible without extraordinary luck. The truth is the opposite. Financial freedom is possible for anyone, anywhere, regardless of age, background, education, or location. The only requirement is a clear mindset, commitment, and consistent action. Who can achieve financial freedom? Let's be clear. Financial freedom is not reserved for the rich, the educated elite, or people with family money. Anyone can achieve it as long as they are willing to make the right choices, take action, and persist through challenges. Qualities of those who succeed: 1. Persistence. The road to financial freedom is rarely smooth. It requires resilience through failures, setbacks, and mistakes. 2. Discipline. Consistent habits, daily routines, and adherence to a financial plan separate the wealthy from the rest. 3. Continuous learning. Financially free people constantly improve their skills, knowledge, and understanding of money. 4. Action-oriented mindset. Ideas alone do not create wealth. Only actions repeated consistently yield results. 5. Risk management. Those who achieve freedom understand risk, invest wisely, and make calculated moves instead of gambling blindly. Debunking myths. You don't need a six-figure salary. Many people achieve freedom on modest incomes by saving, investing, and building additional streams. You don't need inheritance or family money. Financial freedom is created by skill, strategy, and execution. You don't need a special degree. Knowledge can be self-taught, and practical skills often outweigh formal education in building wealth. Anyone willing to learn, act, and persist can achieve financial freedom. How to achieve financial freedom? Now let's dive into the practical steps. Achieving financial freedom is a process, and it involves mindset, skills, income streams, habits, and investing. Step 1. Mindset reset. Everything starts in your mind. Money is a reflection of your beliefs, your fears, and your habits. To achieve freedom, you must reprogram negative beliefs. Money is hard. I can't save. I will never be wealthy. Replace them with positive beliefs. I control my finances. I create opportunities. I can achieve freedom. Visualize success daily. Picture yourself debt-free, financially secure, and free to live on your terms. Commit to lifelong learning. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, and absorb knowledge about wealth creation, investing, and entrepreneurship. Practical tip: every morning, repeat affirmations and visualize your financially free life for at least 5 minutes. Step 2. Develop high-income skills. Skills are the foundation of wealth. Focus on skills that generate cash consistently. 1. Sales and persuasion. Every product, service, or idea requires someone to sell it. Master the art of influencing and negotiating. 2. Digital skills. Marketing, coding, content creation, social media, and e-commerce can reach global audiences. 3. Financial skills. Budgeting, saving, investing, and growing assets strategically. Pro tip: master one skill at a time, then combine them to build unstoppable income potential. Step 3. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single job is risky. Build diverse streams: freelancing or consulting online, e-commerce stores or drop shipping, digital content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, courses, ebooks, or digital products, real estate or investments. Goal: 3 to 5 streams within 12 months. Scale them using automation and smart delegation. Step 4. Discipline and daily habits. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Wake up early and plan your day. Learn something new daily. Sell or create daily. Track all income and expenses. Reflect on progress each night. Time blocking is powerful. Morning for focus, afternoon for work, evening for learning, night for reflection. Step 5. Investing. Put your money to work. Stocks and ETFs, long-term growth and dividends, real estate, rental income and appreciation, digital assets, crypto, fractional ownership, or online businesses, passive income, automated income streams from digital or offline sources. Tip: start small, invest consistently, and leverage compounding. Step 6. Network and mentorship. Your environment shapes your destiny. Surround yourself with winners. Find mentors who've succeeded. Join online communities, masterminds, and seminars. Avoid negative or complacent peers. Networking accelerates your growth exponentially. Step 7. Vision and legacy. Financial freedom is not just for money, it's for life. Time freedom to spend with family. Ability to travel or pursue passions. Leaving a legacy for others, building impact and inspiration in your community. Visualize, write your goals, and track progress consistently. Why pursue financial freedom? Freedom from stress, debt, and uncertainty. Security for you and your loved ones. Ability to live fully and intentionally. Empowerment to take risks, grow, and create impact. Is financial freedom good? Absolutely. Financial freedom improves mental health and confidence, creativity and innovation, ability to give back and inspire others, overall quality of life. It is not greed. It is empowerment, choice, and responsibility. Conclusion. Start today. No excuses, no delays. Take small, actionable steps. Learn, earn, invest, repeat. Financial freedom is possible for anyone, anywhere. Own your life and take charge of your destiny starting today.